Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting power and storage right. Charge the battery fully and insert a fast micro SD card because write speed prevents dropped frames. Once done, mount the camera in its protective housing and inspect seals so water and dust stay out. Make sure the basic mount is secured, helmet or handlebar, so the image alignment matches your intended shot. You'll want to power on now, verify date/time, and set resolution before moving to framing. You next dial in image capture. Pick a frame rate and resolution that match your activity and post needs. Higher FPS for slow motion, higher resolution for crop. Then enable stabilization and wind reduction to reduce shake and noise because raw footage is harder to fix later. Turn on Pro Tune or a flat color profile if you plan to grade. Once settings are locked, test a short recording while adjusting field of view and damping. Add foam or change mount angle to minimize vibration. You are ready to record. Give a brief pre-roll so auto exposure settles, then capture focused clips of 20 to 60 seconds for easy editing. After each run, review playback on the camera or paired phone and make adjustments to exposure, angle, or mount tightness, because small tweaks improve every shot. If recording fails or footage flickers, check battery level and camera temperature, confirm the card's speed and capacity, and reformat the micro SD as a last resort to fix file errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.